Hello everybody, David Hearnes, Executive Director of Blount Mansion. Just wanted to take a chance when it's not pouring rain to be able to say thank you to some people who were able to make the restoration of the Craighead-Jackson House possible. First and foremost, I want to start off by saying thank you to Randy and Jenny Boyd and the Boyd Foundation for their generous support for the restoration process. None of this would have been possible without them. In the same way, I just want to say thank you to Jeff Smith of J&L Renovations. All of his effort and hard work and everything that he did really made the house shine and look its best. I want to say thank you to all of the board members for the Blount Mansion Association who had a hand in helping this. Brian Pittman, Debbie Shriver, Debbie Woodiel, Sam Pittenger, Ellen Capito, all of the board members who helped make this possible, and for our Director of Marketing and Public Relations, Michael Jordan. He was instrumental in helping to secure the funding for the project. I want to say thank you to the City of Knoxville for the grant funds that they were able to give us a few years ago to be able to start the ball rolling with restoring the porch and doing all of the waterproofing and the demo work in the basement to remove the just absolutely moldy nastiness that was the basement at the time. Same thing, I want to say thank you to Tim Upchurch and Johnson & Guyon Construction for all of their hard work. They really stellar work to restore the porch on the house. I want to say thank you to Pizza Longo Plaster, Pizza Man. We couldn't have done it without you. Your work in the plaster in the house is fantastic. Can't be beat. I want to say thank you to Allen Edmonds Electric for all of the electrical work that they did, Scott's Plumbing, Archer Air. I want to say thank you to Goofon Moving and Storage, Fox Moving and Storage for all of their help with all of the moving work that was done to make the rest of the work possible. I want to say thank you to Real Milk Paint Company for their support and for turning us on to the supplies that we needed to be able to do the floors here. If I've forgotten anybody, I'm really sorry. There's so many people to thank, but we just want to make sure that we say thank you and want to encourage everybody to come see the house and to put it to use. We are open for all kinds of rentals and all kinds of events. So if there's anything we can do for you, let us know. Otherwise, keep an eye on your social media. We'll have the house open at different times for you to come and lay eyes on it. So thank you very much, and we appreciate everyone's support.